All right, happy Easter. If you've seen this video, you probably got gifted an Easter egg craft kit. I'm going to show you how to put these together today. I'm not going to paint them. I'm going to show you how you can put them together or what you can do with them. So there is 6 different pieces in here. You can do a couple of different things. You can take the cutout pieces that you have and the back pieces, and you can layer them and make them 3 solid eggs if you want to, and have different designs. You can paint the back and then paint the top and have kind of layered looks. It'll look something about like this. These are ones I've done previously. Or you can leave them separated and you can have multiple and you can paint these a different design if you want and do whatever you want. You can also do 2 of them like this and then do 2 single ones. There's no right or wrong on these Easter eggs, so you can do it however you would like there. Paint them up, have fun. But that's all I got for you today. You just glue them together, have fun, be creative. Happy Easter.